Hello there, beautiful ladies. I am so happy she is like this right now, but you're about to see something transformative, something gorgeous and wonderful. Just keep watching. Yes, this is all about you looking unique at the end of the day and going for styles that you will like as a beautiful black woman. As right here, you will find 18 of some of the most unique short hairstyles for black women. We're talking about short weave as well as wig hairstyles to try in 2024. For my ladies' hairstyles, some of them are called Rihanna short hairstyles, but of course, it all depends on where you're located and how you refer to it. A wonderful hair look for a beautiful black woman. It doesn't really matter if you're black or white, you can definitely go for styles like this, or maybe you're located within the African continent, you can also go for styles like this. A lot of ladies go for styles like this. They do have their natural hair beneath this particular look, of course, and they wear this hairstyle for a certain period of time. Lovely and amazing hair look right here, very stunning, very beautiful. I know a lot of guys appreciate looks like this as well. A wonderful way to style your look, a really amazing way. Within the African continent, they tend to call styles like this Anita Baker. You should Google it if you want Anita Baker short hairstyles, or of course short weave hairstyles. You just Google it, but this is how it's done within the African continent. You can definitely let us know how it's done within your own environment. If you don't have something to share with us, wonderful style right here, you yourself can try out. We'll again leave links to this particular hairstylist or barber right beneath the description area, so that you'll be able to have access to them, especially if you're in close proximity or within the same location or country as they are. Yes, lucky you. Wonderful, amazing hairstyle right here. They're really very creative and wonderful, well talented barbers and hairstylists, I must say. Beautiful hair look right there. The way it is, the way the looks are transformed is really amazing. It turns out the ladies are actually cute, and most of this time is emotional, because definitely they don't expect to look this way, but at the end of the day it turns out that way for them. It is really, really very awesome, very amazing, beautiful to get that new look. And of course, you're always confident in yourself when you wear the look outside. Yes, so go right ahead and subscribe to this channel for more ideas like this. If you appreciate videos like this, you can let us know in the comment section, as well as leaving us a thumbs up or like to encourage the growth of not just this channel but the video, so that other people will view it. Again, you can go forward to sharing the video with loved ones and friends, so that they will also witness these hairstyles and haircuts and go for it. Watch to the end. It's really amazing what you find within this channel. And of course, if you're a barber or hairstylist, you definitely get tips right here as you watch on. One or two things you probably don't know about, you definitely see it right here. As a client, you just go right ahead, screenshot any particular look right here, take it to your nearest barber or proximity hairstylist close to you, and of course tell them this is what you want. And I believe if they're professional enough, they will definitely give you exactly what you want. Again, let's hear your thought on the comment section. Keep coming back for more. Till tomorrow, you take care and bye.